Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Avijit, and you are watching PrepWay India. In these sessions, you will learn 10 MCQs, which is Indian polity based MCQs. So, these sessions will be beneficial for the different exam perspectives like UPSC, BPSC, UPPSC, SSC, Railway, etc. exam. So, without delay, we should start the sessions. So, here is your first questions. And the first question is that a new chapter 4A on fundamental duties, okay, was inserted in the Indian Constitution in a new chapter 4A on fundamental duties was inserted in the Indian Constitution in first option is here is 1972, second option is 1976, third option is in 1978, and fourth option is 1980. So what is the correct answer? Please choose the correct one. So here is the 1976 is the correct answer. Okay, so according to the fundamental duties for AA 4A, in which year 1976 inserted in the Indian Constitution. Okay, so in 1976 fundamental duties inserted a new chapter 4A. Okay, so this is the right answer, 1976. It is also which has been the 42nd Amendment Act, also called 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Okay, so this is also called a mini constitutions. Okay, so there are also mini constitutions. Okay, so 1976 is the right answer. Now the second question is that in India, the judge of the High Court in India, judge of the High Court of a state are appointed by which one? So first option is here is the vice president, and the second option is the president, third option is the chief justice of India, and the fourth option is the governor. So which one is the correct? Please choose. Try to choose the right answer. Okay, so here right answer is the president. Okay, so in India, the judge of the High Court of a state are appointed by president. Okay, there is a note that means the president who appointed judge of the High Court. Okay, but in the state, a oath was given by the governor. Okay, so here is the president is the right answer. Okay, so president is the right answer. That means in India, the judge of the High Court of a state are appointed by president. Okay, so this is the right answer. Now the third questions, which are the term of member of Rajya Sabha is what? First option is the 4 years, second option is the 2 years, and the third option is the same as that of the Lok Sabha, and the fourth option is 6 years. So what is the correct answer? Please choose one. The term of member of the Rajya Sabha is 6 years. Okay, so this is the right answer. The term of member of the Rajya Sabha is 6 years. So please note that 6 years is the term of the Rajya Sabha. One thing here is that Rajya Sabha is a permanent body. Okay, Rajya Sabha is a permanent body. Okay, so there is no resolutions of Rajya Sabha. Okay, no resolutions of Rajya Sabha. Okay, so Rajya Sabha is a permanent body. So here is the 6 year is the right answer. Okay, the next one question is in the union government, the council of ministers is collectively responsible to the what? That means the parliament, the president, the Lok Sabha, and the prime minister. So which one is the correct answer? So first option is the parliament, second is the president, third is the Lok Sabha, and the fourth is the prime minister. So please try to choose the correct one. Okay. So what is the correct answer? So in the union government, the council of ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Okay. So Lok Sabha is the right answer. Okay. Lok Sabha is the right answer, which is in the union government, the council of ministers is collectively responsible. Okay. To the Lok Sabha. So Lok Sabha is the right answer. Now next move on. Move on questions is the according to the which article of the Indian Constitution is Hindi in Devanagari script the official language of the Union. So first option is Article 123, that means the 123. Second option is the Article 243, and the third option is the Article 343, and fourth last one is Article 223. So which please choose the correct answer. Okay, when given these here articles, that means according to the which article of the Indian Constitution is Hindi. So try to understand what is given in context. The Hindi in Devanagari script the official language of the Union. Okay, so what is the correct answer? So correct answer is Article 343, that means the Article 343 is known as the official language of the Union. Okay, official language of the Union. So this is the right answer for Devanagari script. Okay, that means Indian question is Hindi. So official language of the Union, Hindi is the official language of the Union. So 343 article is the right answer. Now next one is how many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha. So there is a question is how many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha. So first option is here is 11, second is the 12, third option is 13, and fourth option is 15. So please try to choose the correct one. So what is the correct answer? So correct answer is the 12. Okay, this is the correct answer. So how many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha? There are 12 members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President of India. President of India. Okay, but there is a provision in the parliament. Okay, so how many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha? So there is a 12 members. There are 12 members. So there are 12 members nominated in the Rajya Sabha. So this is the right answer. Now next one question is who is the chairman of the Lok Sabha? So first option is the Prime Minister, second option is the President, the third option is the Speaker, and the fourth option is the Vice President. So which one is correct? Please choose one. So here is, that means the who is the chairman of the Lok Sabha, that means the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is the chairman. Okay, so this is the right answer, that means the Speaker is the chairman of the Lok Sabha. The Speaker is the chairman of the Lok Sabha. So this is the right answer. So who is the right now in the chairman of the Lok Sabha? That means the Om Birla. Om Birla is the currently chairman of the Lok Sabha. Om Birla. from the Kota constituency. Okay, so Om Birla is the chairman of the Lok Sabha. So the speaker is the right answer. Okay, so next question is that the who among the following did not serve as the vice president before becoming the president of India. So first option is here that Dr. Zakir Hussain. Okay. Second option is the R. Venkataraman. And the third option is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. And the fourth option is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, that means Sarpalli Radhakrishnan. So please choose the correct one. What is the correct answer? So try to understand what is the correct answer. Here is the correct answer is that means Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Okay. So Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, who among the following did not serve as the vice president, okay, before becoming president of India. Okay, so Sanjeeva Reddy, that is the Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, before becoming the president of India, okay, not serve as the vice president. So this is the right answer. That means the Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy is the right answer. Now the next one question is that the Supreme Court of India dispenses justice, putting its reliance on the principle of what's the principle. Here is the given the four principles. We should try to understand and choose the correct one, which is the right answer. So first option is the rule of law. Okay. Second is the due process of law. Now third is the procedural due process, and the fourth last one is the procedure established by law. So which one is the right answer? So the right answer is the procedural established by law. This is the right answer. So the Supreme Court of India dispenses justice, putting its reliance on the principle of procedural established by law. Okay, so this is the right answer. Right answer. Procedure established by law. Okay. So now the next one is that what is the conditions of service and tenure of election commissioner in India is prescribed by the. So question is here that the condition of service and tenure. Noted that service and tenure of the election commissioner in India is prescribed by the which one? So first option is the president, and the second option is government. Third option is the parliament, and the fourth option is the constitution. So try to understand and choose what the right answer. So what is the right answer here? Right answer is the parliament. Okay, so the condition of service and tenure of the election commissioner in India is prescribed by the parliament. Okay, one thing you noted that here that the condition of service, the election commissioner, that means the election commissioner who is appointed by which one? That means the president. Okay, so election commissioner and the member of election commission appointed by the president. Okay, so but the question is here that the condition of service and tenure of the election commissioner in India is prescribed by the which one? That means the parliament. So parliament is the right answer. Okay, right answer. Parliament is the right answer. So these are the questions from the Indian polity based questions. We should try to understand and what's the context at the here the given for the exam perspective view. So this is the very important questions which already has been asked in the different exams. Okay, so maybe chance for the next exams, anyone exams. Okay, so like UPPCS, BPSC and UPSC, also railway and SSC. So this is the whole conversations, whole sessions. Now we will meet in the next sessions. Okay, So please, if you are like our efforts, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.